Wait, Gemini just gave me $10 in Bitcoin for literally nothing, and before you think this is too good to be true, make sure you click the link in the description below to grab this deal while it's still available. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on free Bitcoin. So, here's what happened. I was browsing around looking for a reliable crypto exchange, and I stumbled across this Gemini promo code that basically hands you $10 in Bitcoin just for signing up. I mean, who says no to free money, right? Now, if you haven't heard of Gemini, it's one of the most trusted cryptocurrency exchanges out there. Founded by the Winklevoss twins, you know, the Facebook guys, and it's fully regulated in the US. So we're not talking about some sketchy platform that's going to disappear with your money overnight. Here's how ridiculously easy this is. You click my link, sign up for a free account, verify your identity, which takes like 5 minutes, and boom. $10 in Bitcoin lands in your wallet. It's literally like finding money in your couch cushions, except the couch is the internet, and the money is Bitcoin. The best part? There's no catch, no minimum deposit, no trading requirements, nothing. Just pure, free Bitcoin to get you started. And honestly, in today's crypto market, every little bit helps. So don't sleep on this. Click that link in the description, grab your free $10 in Bitcoin, and thank me later when Bitcoin hits the moon again.